Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Philips. We have to start by open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. We need to check is your Bluetooth is turned on, is turned off, so we need to enable it. If you have Android, just open control panel and enable Bluetooth here. Then tap on your device at the device list and we have connection. But if it didn't help you, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, we need to firstly turn off these headphones by press and hold power button what located at the top of the right ear cup. We hold it and we just turn off it. Then we need to turn on these headphones and your headphones will reconnect to your phone. And you can check it at the device list in the Bluetooth. So right here we have no connection and it should reconnect automatically. But sometimes it happens that it didn't want to reconnect automatically. So then you just tap on it at the device list. Okay, and we have connection. If it also didn't help you, next step is to remove and add these headphones. So firstly, I recommend to turn off it. Here we go. And then click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device. And after that, press and hold at the power button until the LED light near to it start flashing blue and white. Here we go, and we just enter to pairing mode, so we can add it, tap on it at the device list, and we did it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So, power button, press and hold it. Now, we need to again enter to pairing mode, so press and hold power button again. Here we go, it's flashing blue and white. And then we need to press and hold this multifunctional button near to this LED light until this LED light flashed white a few times. Here we go. Now, we need to remove it, so information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Don't forget to click Pair New Device on Android, and after a factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to do it manually, and we just tap on it at the device list. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!